The majority of the hardware we are using was built for a customer.
Nearly half of television outputs are given away for educational programs.
You can change your courses on the website during the registration period.
.5% of Californian residents do not speak English at home.
The office opens on Mondays and Thursdays directly following the freshman seminar.